Hey everyone, Reed here from Wrangle. Now I'm going to be covering how to share collections, and I'll also be covering the toolbar actions in this tutorial. So to get started, sharing is extremely simple. You can see the share button up here. You can click it and you'll see the owner of a collection, an email if you want to invite, a link that you can copy, which will make the collection viewable to people, and you can click one button to share it with your organization. This will send emails to anyone in your organization with permission to access the collection, and it'll automatically show up in their sidebar under shared collections. This is a key detail because if you're in an organization with someone, which is up here, you can also view it from manage team down here. If the collection is shared with the organization, it will automatically show up in their sidebar. So they'll be able to view it, access it. They can also make edits to the collection, things like that. And then, to dig into the toolbar actions, in its default state, you'll see Copilot and then Upload. Copilot is used for asking questions about a list. So let's just say summarize profiles. It'll pull the context of each candidate. It has their full profiles past what's displayed here, but also if you add custom attributes to the candidates like notes, it'll show them here. Here you can see it'll summarize what their current roles are, show a little card for their profile, and allow you to message them from here, things like that. Then if we go to a new chat, upload, of course, is where you can drop in a CSV to import a list of candidates as long as they have a LinkedIn URL. When you select candidates, you'll have a few more options. So you can add these all to a list. We can add them to the new collection. We already had added them all there. You can also message them in bulk. So these are some of the cool outreach features. Here you can enter a subject. You can start typing. You can toggle on or off group edit, which will change it from using a variable. So let's show you an example. First name here, toggle off will go between the actual first names of the candidates that we're talking to. You can do this, or you can also enroll them in a sequence from here. You can switch between collapsed view and display view using that button. And then you can ask questions about specific candidates that you've selected here, which is just a way to have more granular approach if you want to say like compare two candidates and ask a question. You can also remove them from the list by clicking delete. And then, these are the toolbar actions. You can do the same things on every list. And as you know, you can enrich it just clicking one of these buttons to get the emails. You won't be able to send emails to candidates who don't have one. So if I get rid of this person's email and try to send him a email, it'll just say no recipient with email selected and won't be able to autofill. And you do need your Google account collected to send outreach from here. And then, when you have templates loaded, you'll be able to access them from the message editor. And those are the toolbar actions. Thank you.